Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Apex Legends on PC. First, you will need to download and install the game client, which is available for free. Once installed, create an EA account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, it is highly recommended to complete the in-game tutorial. This will introduce you to the fundamental controls and core mechanics, ensuring you are well prepared for your first match. Apex Legends features a diverse cast of legends, each with unique abilities. Selecting a legend that suits your playstyle is crucial. Mastering movement techniques, such as sliding down hills and wall running in specific areas, will give you a significant advantage. Furthermore, familiarize yourself with the various weapon types, including assault rifles, shotguns, and sniper rifles, to understand their optimal engagement distances and damage outputs. Apex Legends is a team-based battle royale, so effective communication with your two squadmates is vital. Utilize the intuitive ping system to mark enemies, loot, and locations without needing voice chat. Always share valuable resources like ammunition, healing items, and armor upgrades to ensure your entire team is well equipped. Strategically deploying your legends, unique tactical and ultimate abilities can turn the tide of any engagement. To truly excel, spend time in the firing range to practice your aiming and master weapon recoil patterns. Understanding the various map layouts and common rotation paths will help you anticipate enemy movements and secure advantageous positions. Experiment with different legend combinations within your three-person squad to discover powerful synergies. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to becoming a top-tier Apex Legends player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.